Alright, adat signal tayo ni Idol Joe ang inteman apoy jay Banggi, ada kano libre nga connection ti internet kadetoy pagadalan. Saping nga sa pasap. Amin sa dapat ket maadani ti kasoy. Detalye kadetoy manipod kini Idol Joe ang gusto ni jay Banggi.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Idol John kamen.
Naiya pa ayan na ti libre nga internet connection iti Alao Elementary School iti Barangay Payak iti Iliti Banggi babae na ti US Agency for International Development when the USAID kadwada iti biyang ti Department of Information and Communications Technology when the ICT. Babaen kada ito ket adda na ti tsansa dagiti adal ken mangisursuro iti nasaw a pagadalan ti makakonektar iti internet akasapulan da iti panagklase. Nagyaman met ti school head ani Mr. Lemar Padre tadakkel tulong kanya daytoy ken nalilagip na tinagbalin arigas da iti napalabas sa pandemya iti COVID-19 takasapulan da pay laeng nga umuli iti tuktok ti bantay tapno laeng makakonektar. Yamanen pa iti school head daytoy a proyekto ta iti laeng uneg ti classroom ket mabalindan a maka-access kadagiti masapul da tanapaspasen wenno napigsa na ti signal. Basara ti record ti Barangay Payak ket may sa kadagiti remote area iti Banggi susgapon at ti kinasulimek na ket isumet ti kinalimitado iti internet connectivity. Nang tedmet ti mensahe kena ti ragsak na iti leader ti USAID ani Mr. John Garity ket kastingaro ti ina panagsarita.
Amazing to see all of you students sitting so listening so well. I mean, I have in my house I have a 6-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old, and they're always running around. But you guys are very well behaved, so congratulations to the parents and the teachers. So, as was introduced, I am running a project called Better Access and Connectivity, or Beacon, and this project is supported by the U.S. Agency for International Development, or USAID. And USAID is a part of the U.S. government, so this project is in part supported by the U.S. government. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to help improve internet connectivity in places like the community here. If you're not familiar with USAID, USAID is an agency that's been in the Philippines for a long time. So it's been in the Philippines now for over 60 years, and over that time, over $6 billion of grant support has been provided to the Philippines across a range of different sectors. Usually, the projects are in education, with providing, for example, with books and pencils. A lot of times, the projects are in health or in agriculture, providing seeds and fertilizer. But this particular project is focused on the internet, so it's quite a new project. And the whole idea is really to work together to improve the situation across the Philippines. So that's what we're doing here. And as we heard from the introduction, we are doing this across the Philippines. So we are extending internet connectivity from as far north as Batanes, where we were a little over 14 months ago, all the way down to the farthest in the west, in Calayan Municipality, all the way down to the south in Tawi-Tawi, Turtle Island, across Mindanao, across the Visayas, so all over, basically trying to get everybody to be able to participate on the internet, to learn on the internet, to be able to communicate to families, to be able to find employment opportunities, and to learn new things on the internet. So that's what we're trying to do here. And that's our hope, right? That with the internet now here at the school, you all will be able to learn more, that you'll find more information online, that you'll be able to communicate, find new opportunities for income, for jobs, and to connect with other people, not just in the Philippines, your family members in the Philippines, but also people overseas. Particularly since one of the things that we know about when we were flying in, for example, to Local yesterday, there's a lot of people who are flying in also from overseas because of family.
Ti paset ti panagsarita ni USAID Mr. John Garity. Maragsakan met ay Governor dagiti estudyante. ta adadan nga adalaw-law dati panagadal data dati television ito nagti classroom da ket makakonektaran iti internet ket dakkel nga yaman da ata adati visual aidan kumbaga tapno no nalawlawa pa dati panagklase da Idol Bernard.
Manata dati visual aid, hindi ko agad inikat ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Di ngamin?
Well.
Diyan mo no anat rason kan makita ng pagsiatan iti edukasyon ti pagilian a Pilipinas ngem para kanya ket DJ ti dakkel nga epekto na met nga ganan makapa-apektar ka digiti estudyante tayo iti pagilian a Pilipinas. All right, so after Bangi papananda
Dito Ilocos Norte Idol Bernard asan tay nga naamuan no sa ninupay nga lugar ti posible nga
apay nga rod banggit na panunutan da gapota na sel-sel DJ nga pagadalan.
When in-assess da Idol Bernard ada dati experience dagiti mamaestra ken dagiti estudyante last pandemic nga dati kasapulan ako mga internet connection awan umuli da pay laeng ti bantay
Okay.
tapno laeng makakonektar da iso dagiti may sapay nga rason nga iso ti anang ipaayan da dati nga proyekto Idol Bernard.
Now, my next question is, anang nga service provider, Tino Sarda? Bukod da, wino digiti PLDT, wino Globe, wino naman?
Dagiti sana ipagagangay Idol Bernard. Dati,
Awan nga ro da, adikat on and off mandetan.
isong arod na mo nakit na angin iti lugar ada dati panakapektar na no ko Idol Bernard.
So saan nga satellite base deti kukwada no di ka de LAN, wino digiti mo susar nga gagangay dito pagilan na Pilipinas?
O hindi kita na ipagagangay Idol Bernard.
Oh, kat medyo dihadon samat Idol Joan, baka matadan to man time na nga no mayangin to manen digiti nga waywayan kat awan to manen.
Ay barbaring haan Idol Bernard.
Supay barbaring nga talaga. Barbaring saan nga maitayab digiti na iparugin. No kas pagarigan. Alakat congratulations iti Bangi Ilocos Norte nga naikan iti ayuda nga internet panipod iti US aid kadigitoy nga gondaway Idol Joan. Anymore?
Isa pa lang tidamag iti iliti Bangi kadwa iti 99.5 Basundawag Idol John 15 tata. Alright.
Maraming salamat Idol Joan. Iti na dakamat a report.